How's it going, everybody? You're watching Adventure Films, and my video that I had planned for this week doesn't work out. So we're just gonna do something really basic, really random and simple. We're just gonna cook some Bolognese, and we're gonna have that with some pasta. So let's get started. We want to have the camera hanging right here. We are going to use this fella, put a small little screw in. Yeah, so we got the screw in and we might be able to hang it upside down. Well, the spaghetti bog was okay, not too bad, not too good. To finish it off, I'm gonna have a bevo. And to give you a quick update of what kind of videos are coming up, I've actually been working on a little spring dance video with one neighbor who's actually over here. Been working with them on the video today, and I will link it in this video or in the description if it's out. It will take probably another month or so until we get it done, but I'm pretty excited about that. I'm pretty stoked to get it done because we've been out this morning since 5 AM trying to catch the sunrise and film in that light. So that was pretty intense. And next weekend, I'm actually going to Denmark to visit a friend of mine who I met in Australia. And I might even feature him in my vlog, so stay tuned for that one. His name is Thor. He lives in Aarhus in Denmark. I pronounced it wrong. He lives in Aarhus in Denmark, and yeah, I'm really keen to see him because we always have a wicked time. We always have so many laughs together, and it's just, yeah, I'm so keen to see him. And what else to say? I might show you how good I got in balance boarding already, because I'm actually a lot better than how I started off with. And yeah, I might show you that before, and until then, I will see you guys next week. Peace, boy! Check this out.